Hello friends, let's discuss some more questions in contest to UGC net and ICR net. But today's objective question series is more connected to the inventory control systems, inventory management, and that is more linked to the operation research. As many questions in these days coming from the operation research, I plan to highlight more and more questions in the particular subject by which it will be helpful for you to crack the UGC net and ICR net in the forthcoming examinations. In this question series, the first question is very simple one. Which of the following durations the significant innovations has been taken place in the name of operation research? Because everyone is saying that operation research is the mathematical technique, quantitative techniques. But the important one is that in which time period the application of the operation research has been taken place maximum. Or you can say that the use of computer, the use of quantitative techniques in the name of operations has been taken place. That is World War II. Because in the time of crisis, it has been observed that inventory control management systems, resource allocations, network analysis, all are important one to survive the human being after the World War II. So operation research came into pictures in full heartedly in the time of World War II. You have to remember the particular questions. The second question in this series, when annual demand increases by 100%, what should be the effect on economic order quantity level? Or you can say that what should be the effect on optimized quantity level you have to maintain in your inventory? The right answer is demand increases by about 40%. Hopefully you have remembered optimum quantity level D or UQ equal to root over 2ds by H. Here setup cost and holding cost are remain constant. D has been increased to 100%, means double. Then ultimately the change is the value of root 2, means root 2 equal to 1.414. If you mark it, how much change in percentage, the exact answer is 41.4%. But though the answer is about 40%, it is the correct one. Pareto principle in inventory control measures suit to which of the following inventory management system? You know that out of different type of the control measures, I have already highlighted in my previous video. Control measures just like the ABC analysis, VD analysis, XYZ analysis, FSN analysis, numbers of control measures are there. But Pareto, the scientist, has given the concept of ABC classification that has been done on the basis of the value of usage mainly handled in the different time period or in the particular year. This particular Pareto classification is also called as the classification of maldistributions. So here the answer is the third one, the ABC classifications. The question number 4, which of the following is considered as one of the categories in manufacturing inventory? Finished product, component parts, just in time, supplies. The question is which among the following is not considered? Finished products is always be considered as the inventory items. Component parts also be considered as the inventory items. Just in time is a technique. Just in time, when the manufacturer needs any type of the product, in that time they give the call to the supplier, and supplier on the behalf of the manufacturer, they keep the inventories, and when they got the call, they supply the things. Without customers, without the consumers, manufacturer will not keep any inventory on their control. So your answer here is just in time. Which of the following cost is not included to place an order during the development of an inventory for a system? Not included, just I am putting the mark again. Phone calls, it is one of the cost. Hopefully you have remembered, that is the ordering cost and setup cost. All the administrative cost has been included. phone calls, calculating quantity, postage. These are all are the setup or the ordering cost, or you can say that the administrative cost. The taxes has not been included in the calculation of this type of the administrative cost. So your answer should be the taxes. The next question is, which of the following is usually considered as an inventory holding cost? Hopefully inventory holding cost is otherwise called as storage cost. I have already highlighted one of my video in the EOQ quantity models or models. I have already highlighted holding cost is storage cost, obsolescence cost, the cost in the form of the salary and wages, electricity, insurance, depreciation. These are being considered as the holding cost. And here the breakage is one type of the obsolescence cost that has been considered under the inventory holding cost. That is the answer one. Question number 7. Which of the following is fixed time period inventory model? Means in the definite time period you have to check the inventory that whether target inventory has been maintained or not. Because in the inventory control system, any of us or the entrepreneurs or the managers always we consider that whether they go for the target inventory systems or whether they go for a definite time period to check that whether the target inventory system is maintained or not. In this time, the question is fixed time period. So your answer is periodic review system model. That should be your answer. Question number 8. What should be the condition when back ordering cost, or you can say the ordering cost, is small in the regular order? Means you are regularly asking the order in the small quantity, less often bought of higher quantity, frequently bought the lower quantity, less often with low quantity, and frequently with the higher quantity. Back ordering cost in small in the regular order, it means less often bought of higher quantity. The next question is, which of the following is not an assumption under the classical EOQ model? The annual demand is constant and uniform, shortage are not permitted at all, the lead time is 0, the holding cost per unit per year is constant. In the particular choices you find that all choices are important one, may be connected in your classroom theories. Just one difference is found in the particular choices, that is the lead time is 0. This is the wrong answer. Why? Because in that time assumption it has been highlighted that lead time is constant, not 0. Numbers of times when 0 terms has come, always our mind that it has been maybe or may not be the answer, but if it is a constant one, then all choices will be the equal. But here it is 0, that's why the answer is the lead time is 0 is the wrong answer. The last question is, which of the following inventory control measures is based on the annual usage value? The product is highly usage value is considered as A items, and which has the very less value are considered as C items. That's why the answer is ABC analysis. Hopefully today's video is useful for all of you. I mark this type of the questions important one, because if you go through operational research, there are four underlying categories you have to mark. That is one area, that is the linear programming. Second area is the decision theory. Third area is the inventory control systems, and all other models has been considered as the another areas. I put all the area wise questions in different type of the objective question series. Hopefully that will be useful for all of you to cracking the UGC net and ICR net and subsequently ICR SRF examinations. Thank you all. Thank you watching my video.